Hello students, in class 11th you have studied about physical geography, that is the physical features of the earth's surface. Now in class 12th you'll study about the human geography, how the human beings have changed the environment according to his needs, what are the developments he has taken place and how he's still working to change it. So let's begin with the human geography, its nature and scope. Human geography is the interrelationship between physical environment, socio-cultural environment created by the human beings. It can be understood with the concept of environmental determinism that was given by Miss Semple. Her full name was Miss Ellen Churchill Semple. She said, "Man is the product of the earth's surface." It means he is not only the child of the earth. Earth has mothered him, fed him, set him tasks, directed his thoughts, gave him problems and then solutions. So according to that, we all know, we all are made up, according to the science also, we all are made up of the 5 elements. That is air, earth, fire, sky and water. So all this thing is nature only. That is, so we are growing up with the help of the nature only. Whatever we are using it nowadays, whether we are wearing, we are eating, we are drinking, where we are living, everything we get from the earth only. If the earth is giving us problems regarding doing agriculture, there are some areas where the rainfall is abundant, soil is fertile, easily to cultivate on that area. But there are areas that are semi-arid areas where water is less, even fertile, soil is also not very fertile. What we have to do, there we use the irrigation and then we do the cultivation. So it is written there, set him tasks, directed his thoughts, gave him problem that how to do the cultivation in the semi-arid areas, and then solution, that is with the help of the irrigation we are doing that is cultivation in those areas. She has also said, human geography is the study of changing relationship between unresting man and unstable earth. Of course, human beings are unstable. We keep on doing the changes on the surface of the earth day by day. If we think about the early man, when the early man came over the surface of the earth, first he was only a hunter and gatherer. Later on, he discovered fire. From the fire, he has come to know that he can cook food. This fire can protect him from the animals also. So, and later on, he also started realizing there is some power that is controlling him and the earth's surface. So, he started believing in the God itself. That is, God is the one power and God is one who is controlling the whole earth. See, earlier in the when the early man was there, we have low technology. Technology was slow also. It was not very much developed. So during that duration, that is, man was interacting with the environment with the strong forces of the nature with the low technology. That is, when we are having low technology and we are interacting with the environment with the strong forces of the environment, that was called as the environmental determinism. That is, the effect of environment was more on us in comparison to our technology at that time. But later on, our technology was increased day by day. We have started interacting more with the environment. That is, nowadays many landscapes also have been formed by the human beings. These landscapes are such that we can't judge whether they are natural or they are made by the human beings. So the effect of the human beings are more on environment, and also environment interact with the human beings. We can't judge which one is more effective. Example of the human landscapes that are formed by human beings. Example, Lake Powell in the USA, Fly Geyser of the USA and Big Hole of the South Africa. These all the landscapes that are formed by the human beings itself. See, man's relation with the environment is more complex in comparison to the animals and the plants. Animals simply live in the environment, they eat from there and live there. But our relationship is more complex with the environment, because our internal forces, that is our heredity, what we have got from our ancestors, we are fighting with the environment. That is the external force, that is the habitat where we are living, external forces of the nature. So human geography basically deals with the condition on the earth, the distribution of population on the earth, and finally the relationship of the human as well as the environment. So the human beings are basically is the interrelationship, that is human geography is basically interrelationship between physical environment, cultural as well as the regional adjustment. Because whatever we have conquered on the surface of the earth, we keep on telling it about each and every person of the world. So we are adjusted with the environment that we are having in the nature.